Good evening, I'm weather forecaster Lance Huffman here for this Tuesday night forecast. Looking at our temperatures across the region, we're really at the mid-40s across central Indiana, really only northern Indiana, really just in the 30s. 42 degrees in Muncie, 44 degrees in Indianapolis, and 40 degrees in Lafayette. Now looking at our 24-hour temperature change, we're actually 8 degrees colder at this time now than what we were actually yesterday. So we were at 50 degrees at this point yesterday, which is still pretty warm for this time of the day. Now, with 42 degrees, that's still a bit above average for our temperatures, but we are expecting even warmer temperatures as we go throughout the day tomorrow. So although we are a bit cooler today than what we were yesterday, we're expecting to warm back up as we go throughout tomorrow. Looking at radar, we're actually pretty quiet across the area, really just seeing cloud cover move in across central Indiana as we've gone throughout this evening. It will be continuing to be overcast as we go throughout the night tonight. Now, zooming out here, we have a system off to our west that will be pushing its way east. This also has been bringing us these pretty big bunches of clouds. This will also be bringing us rain chances as we go throughout the night tonight and even through Wednesday as well. To make some things out for you, again, we see that cloud cover really start to push in as we go throughout tonight, and we do start to see those rain chances move in as we get into really early Wednesday morning. And that actually continues throughout the majority of a Wednesday morning. By the time you wake up Wednesday morning, we're seeing rain outside of your window. Now, overnight lows tonight occurring pretty early with lows in the mid-30s across the area with 35 degrees. In Muncie with southeast winds about 10 to 15 miles per hour with some gusts up to 25 miles per hour. This really only starts to occur when we start to see that rain move in. Now, those rain chances again are occurring pretty late overnight tonight, really into Wednesday morning. Now, as we get into tomorrow, we're expecting warmer temperatures, but we are expecting some pretty heavy rain and some pretty windy conditions as well. We have a wind advisory in place for Henry and Wayne counties in our area, expecting southwest winds about 15 to 30 miles per hour with some gusts up to 50 miles per hour as well. Again, that rain continuing throughout Wednesday morning, really continuing even through Wednesday afternoon as well. We start to enter a little bit of a lull as we get into early Wednesday evening, but we do see some more rain start to push in through later parts of the evening, and then we start to quiet down as we get into Wednesday night. Rainfall totals across the area, really expecting about 1.5 inches in Muncie. Could see locally higher amounts with this system as we go through Wednesday. Taking a look at your 7-day forecast, 64 degrees on Thursday, so we're warmer on Thursday, but we are expecting it to be very nice, sunny, and dry. Looking into Friday, we are expecting it to be pretty cool as we see a cold front move through. Now we warm back up to pretty mild temperatures for Saturday and Sunday. We reach the 60s back on Tuesday and back into the 40s for Tuesday. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter at NLI Weather. Have a good night.